going on with this housemate? Everyone is dreaming right now. Uliama, she said in her dream, everyone, the housemate, they were celebrating Uthandeka, she's leaving, telling someone you are leaving tomorrow. Today is the eviction day, guys. What those housemates they are doing, it is totally unfair. Let's get to sort of today. The rest of the houses. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday, happy 2026. So why are you having a dream about other people, not yourself? So guys, this started after the Saturday party. King Wanda, the king of dreamer, guys, he was telling Ramona, you are leaving tomorrow. I had a dream about you leaving and done. What did he ask? She was like, when I'm leaving, King Wanda. King Wanda look at Didi and smile and say, I don't know, but I will tell you right now, you're not leaving. He also had a dream of Thandeka leaving. Guys, Uliama had a dream of Thandeka leaving. She said she had a dream of Thandeka and Romono voluntarily leaving. You know, saying Ubutibona, they are leaving. Romono, Thandeka telling Romono, packs your bags, we are leaving. And the housemate, they were celebrating. Oh, bravo, look at Liema. He was like, what is going on? What is wrong with you? People are saying, oh, good to know, Liema, now you're lying just because you had King Wanda saying he had a dream about Thandeka and Romono leave. Everybody had a dream about Romono, guys. I feel like Romono she's leaving today, guys. Yes, obviously we've seen that Romono, she might be leaving. She's one of those people are under bottom three, guys. Romonia, Udon, and Trixie, maybe Umeli, guys. Between Trixie and Meli, someone is leaving, guys. If Big Brother decide to evict 3 people, so people are saying a lot of stuff. Those housemates are busy dreaming instead of focusing on their game, guys. Yes, for Thandeka, the way yesterday, you know, washing your face in a sink full of dishes, Big Brother needs to talk to her, guys. I feel like only reason can make Thandeka to live in that house is her behavior, guys. Maybe she was going to disqualify. That's the only way. But you know, her being evicted, I doubt it, guys. Maybe they could do a fake eviction just for the housemate to like, okay, we were right, you know, to make the show very interesting. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. King Wanda and Liema are dreamers of that house. They are the prophet of that house. It is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.